Designed by designer Chris Williams, owner of Bullion Grand Motors. This design includes the driver in the driver's seat and passengers filling the bus seats.
Too long we dreamed, now we build. Steel glints, sparks fly, Jamaican ingenuity at work.
Introducing the Bullion Grand Yellow Liner, our pride, our journey.
Introducing the Bullion Grand Yellow Liner, our pride, our journey.
Luxury, luxury, redefined.
For yet you to build. Built by us, for us. Cheers, everyone's buzzing about the
All
yellow
aboard.
liner.
The future of Jamaican travel starts now. Your comfort, our commitment.
Scene 6, connecting our island, one comfortable ride at a time. Bridging distances, bringing us closer.
Communities Day Hook.
Connecting our island, one comfortable ride at a time.
In it, connecting communities, connecting our island, one comfortable ride at a time. Bridging distances, bringing us
That
closer.
feeling of pure comfort, priceless. This is how travel should feel.
Bullion Grand Motors, the yellow liner. Your journey
Bullion Grand,
elevated.
the new standard. Ride with pride. Bullion Grand Motors, the yellow liner. Your journey guaranteed.